Hey there, investors! If you've been staking your assets on Binance and are now looking to redeem those locked staking rewards, you're in the right place. I'm here to walk you through the simple steps to unlock your Binance staking rewards easily. First up, what happens when your staking period ends? Locked products are automatically redeemed in full on the redemption date. This means all your staked assets, along with the rewards accrued, will be freed up for you. Now, you have two options. Option 1, redeem your assets to your spot wallet. This is straightforward. Just head over to your Binance Earn section and click on Locked Staking. You'll see a list of your completed staking products. Select the one you want to redeem and choose Redeem to Spot Wallet. It's that simple. Option 2, subscribe to the flexible product of the same cryptocurrency in your Earn wallet. This option allows you to keep earning interest on your assets without locking them up again. When you redeem your locked staking, you can immediately transfer those assets into a flexible product. Just select the option that says Subscribe to Flexible Product during the redemption process. This way, your assets continue to work for you without any downtime. Remember, the rewards accrued on the last day of staking are also included, so you won't miss out on any earnings. So there you have it. Two simple ways to redeem your locked staking rewards on Binance. Whether you choose to move your assets to your spot wallet or keep them earning in a flexible product, you're in control. Thanks for watching and happy investing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on maximizing your crypto investment.